to go try out the new trampoline. No, the trampoline park launch. This is my first time, so let's go.
You can do a cartwheel inside of one.
Zone, be careful, darling.
Last one there's a rotten egg.
You. First one there's a rotten egg. I like the leg. Hey GlamFam, welcome back. So let's do launch. Zone's been eyeing this place ever since they just started building. So today we're visiting with two friends of hers. Of course, you gotta sign a waiver, sign away your life. If you break a leg, break a neck, that's gonna be on you. So I'm filling in all the information for the girls, and then I'm gonna bring this ticket next to check in here. Hi.
Hi, welcome in.
Explain the middle one. And they need the socks?
Yeah, so it's with the socks and bowling shoes included with it. You're just paying
Included in
extra.
that?
Yeah, you're just paying extra.
Oh, okay.
But it's all-
Yeah.
That's gonna be $160 or $36.
So if you're in the Orlando area for the holidays, this is something you can do with your little ones. Or if, you know, your inner kid is coming out, you can do this too, because adults are jumping and having a fun time as well. I'm not a lover of trampoline parks, especially the foam pit, because she got sick twice in the foam pit because that absorbs like all the germs. I wasn't really looking forward to coming today, but it turned out to be a very good day. They did not have a foam pit, so that is awesome. All right, so the ticket we got today allowed them access to jump around, everything that's on the floor. They had an hour of bowling and they had 2 rounds of laser tags. Now the laser tag games has like specific times that you have to go, because I think people are in and out like every 10 minutes. All right, so
Ready for bowling? You come to this computer and you hand us your bowling tickets.
that computer there?
Yeah, and then the laser tag is around the corner.
Okay, so
The time's available when you're ready.
so everything is on here.
Yeah, so that's your laser tag and bowling tickets, and then your wristband gives them access to the jumping and basketball.
All right, so for the laser tag, I still need to come back to this machine. Just go.
Around the corner.
Oh, okay.
It says laser tag.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
And then this just shows you
Oh, I get one too. All right. Thank you. Attention, our lunch. 10. There is also gaming arcade, but this is something that you'll have to pay separate money for. So we're heading to Bounce, but they need to take off their shoes and put on the grippy socks that we bought. So of course, you know, I'm going to be saving this sock, because if we ever come back to this place, I am not going to purchase a new socks, because I do believe that pair of socks was like $4.50. At least I don't have to pay for socks here, because I've been to trampoline parks where the adults, even though you're not jumping, you need to have socks to get inside. All right, so they're taking off shoes and stucking them here. And watch this. They are not responsible for your items if they are stolen. But it looks like they have a camera going here. If they have it, I don't know. If they do, then yay, because we're not going to buy a locker for the shoes. So yeah, they're heading inside now to jump, and we're just going to go have some fun. If you ever know that feeling when you have other people's children with you, my eyes and ears and eyes just everywhere on my head at this point. Because when you take other people's children out, you want to make sure that you bring them back in one piece. So this is going to be a day where my eyes and everything is just alert. All right, so thank you for staying here with us. Let's go have some fun. joining us, so he came after we did. So we went outside to meet him, and he's putting on his socks so he can join the crew. But this right here, this guy is a ball of energy, so they cannot keep up with him. So he's gonna be doing his own thing when he's here. Encouraging Harley to go, which she did eventually. It's time for food, and then we're gonna do laser tag because they don't have to be jumping up and down. And by the time they're done with the laser tag, hopefully they can go back to jumping around on the floor.
Switch to another team, you would have to switch vests with somebody. Now, that being said, my red team, you're aiming for all the blue team vest lights. That's a 2 on the chest, 2 on the shoulders, and 1 on the back. Red team, that is the same for you. 2 on the chest, 2 on the shoulders, and 1 on the back. Now, the game will be just about 10 minutes. Those white lights in the arena will come on when the game is over. You will come back in here, look at your scores for just a second, take those vests off, put them back up on the rack, and we will head out that door over there. Now, my blue team, I'm gonna send you guys in first. You're gonna spread out, you're gonna scatter, you're gonna hide. Once the game starts, the red team will come looking for you. Please do not run, jump, or climb anything inside.
You guys are going down.
You were heading after them.
Where's Dale? I'm right here. Okay.
Oh, gosh.
You're not going down! I'm gonna shred
Oh, now you want me to take you back.
I'm gonna shred you apart! Me too. Let's go.
Harley!
Let's go.
Go get him, Harley!
Come on.
Go get him!
people. I feel like best player.
how tiny these trees are.
Not happening today. I guess we have to know our limits, but if you ever visit the launch, Thursdays is $10 to jump. They offer you to host your bachelor party college discount for 20% off. They also offer toddler time. We're sitting and waiting for the kids to come from their second round of kayaking.
You're on the same team?
I got no. All three of us are Isaac. Isaac was on a different team. All the red team were hiding and we were like Isaac. Yeah, we were hiding in one spot, the whole red team. Isaac Ryan.
They had a good day. We took a few pictures outside for memory, and we're leaving now. I guess they're all worn out, so we're heading home. Thank you guys for watching. If you did make it this far, we appreciate you.
It's a choir, you gotta sing. I can't hear the choir. Yes. We need you right now. So that's how you post your videos before
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.